Whoa, this is so malabo. Oh my gosh, I'm blind. Okay. Bonjour everyone, and welcome to another episode of Le Café Celine. So I'm going to be showing you guys 5 easy recipes that are not only aesthetically beautiful, but also so darn freaking delicious. So let's start with our first drink. This is the passion fruit sunrise. This is a locally made passion fruit juice drink that I super love to drink. So we are going to use this for today. So first things first, some orange ice. And hibiscus tea. So this is the perfect wake me up juice. So refreshing. And now for the second drink, we are going for apricot jam with peach soda. This palm pot, it's an apricot jam that I got from France, Paris, France, and it's really good. We are going to use this. Put in the ice. Add some lemon. This looks so light and refreshing. Wow. So for drink number 3, I'm going to set a romantic mood by making a strawberry blue-ade. This recipe is super easy yet super delicious. So firstly, we are going to go with some strawberry puree. Ooh. Some soda water. Noodle tea. Super ganda. It looks so pretty. So sweet. Really sets the mood. For the fourth drink, I will go for the classic Melon Mojito. Easy because you just need 3 to 4 ingredients, which is a melon syrup, muna, and this is one of our favorites here, and of course a sparkling water to make your mocktail. Ice. Now for the syrup. And now a dash of Monin syrup. Top it off with some sparkling water. Cheers! So good! You're really missing something because this is beautiful. So for my final drink, I will be making the craziest galaxy soda. I'm gonna use this honey citron tea that I got from a Korean store. It is so good. It's almost finished. Amazingly good. This is really the galaxy I was waiting for. I'm in space now. So that's it guys, that is it for our home cafe recipes. We hope that you enjoyed this mini series that we made. Of course, I have a special guest with me today, which is my love. Love of your life. Exactly. So please do not forget to like and subscribe to my videos to see more of this. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. I'll happily answer them back. So until then, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Take care and we love you guys. Thank you for following us.
Ciao.
Ciao.